For Wechsalpräpositionen, there are two cases you need to know, accusative and dative. The accusative case is used to express where something needs to go, which means all you need to associate with this case is movement. The dative case is to show where something is, which means that you are expressing where something is and doesn't express movement. When using the accusative case, you are expressing movement, you use wohin. When you are using the dative case, when you are not expressing movement, but location, you use wo. Here are some examples of sentences that include wohin. Here are some examples of sentences that include wo. But you might have noticed that the der, die, and das of the prepositional objects have changed. When using wohin and wo, the case of the sentence's prepositional objects change. The subject of the sentence's case stays the same. When using the accusative case, if the object's gender is der, it changes to den. Die and das stay the same, as well as the plural die. When using the dative case, der changes to den, die to der, and das to den. The plural to den, although you also need to add an to the end of the object as well. Here's a chart to help you remember. There are 9 prepositions that belong in this category. The first is on, which means next to. In means inside of, neben means near, auf means on, unter means under, über means over, vor means in front of, hinter means behind, and finally, zwischen means in between. Don't get confused because of neben and on. On means next to a vertical surface, and neben just means near. We can see the new prepositions in our previous sentences. Also notice the changes in genders. Danke.